Presiden ke Bharatiya Janata Party BJP uba Ernest Mauri minta kesengi ula pendapat ba ya ke kerteng jong ki henry pungut ki kertong ki banyak hun hakani ke election ke banwan. Haba penbena ya ki kerteng jong ki kertong Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mauri ula ong baha usnem arjar khatpra ke BJP ke lekhun na saupun nyoteli ki constituency henry ki la job tang arteli ki shuki. Ula benrap ru minta ke kenti ke seng ke shan khamat ban pinjob khambon ki shuki na khasi jantia pat Garo Hills.
I like to give a special thank to the Central Election Committee, right from our Honorable and beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, our National President Shri J.P. Nadda ji, and all the esteemed members of the Central Election Committee. Yesterday we had a meeting from the state, present by me as the state president, and Shri M. Chubau, the national vice president, and the in charge of Meghalaya were present in the meeting, and Shri Rituraj Sinha, national secretary and joint coordinator of Northeast in charge of Meghalaya were present, and Shri Elhek MLA and national executive members who were present, and they have cleared the list. And here I'm going to read the name of the candidate for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, right from serial number 1, Legislative Assembly constituency number and name, and the name of the candidate. Last election 2018, we have contested 47 seats, and we win 2 seats, and we have stood second almost 7 seats, and we have stood third also almost 12 seats. So this time we hope we will win more seats.